In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the problem of Windows Explorer not responding on Windows 11. Follow each step carefully, and this will solve the issue. First, we'll restart File Explorer. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, under the Processes tab, scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and choose End Task. Don't panic. Your taskbar and desktop icons will disappear. That's expected. Now, we need to restart it. Still inside Task Manager, click on Run New Task at the top. Type Explorer exe in the box. Then press OK. Your desktop and File Explorer should come back instantly. If Explorer keeps freezing, let's reset some of its options. Open File Explorer again, then click on the three dots menu at the top. From there, select Options. This will open the Folder Options window. Under the General tab, look at the Privacy section at the bottom. Click on Clear to remove File Explorer history. Now click Apply, then OK. Finally, restart your PC once so all changes take effect properly. That's it. This is how you fix Windows Explorer not responding on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows fixes.